What if you could make up to 90% profit in just 7 minutes, without lifting a finger? Imagine a robot, a smart piece of software, trading for you 24/7, never getting tired or emotional. This isn't science fiction. Automated trading robots are already helping people grow their accounts while they sleep or work. The world of trading, forex, binary options, looks exciting, with stories of small fortunes made overnight. The promise of quick profits is tempting. Who wouldn't want financial freedom? But here's the truth. Financial markets are complex, driven by global events and millions of decisions. For every big winner, there's a loser. Pros spend years mastering the game, using advanced tools and data. For beginners, it can feel like bringing a calculator to a supercomputer fight, but technology is changing the game. Automated trading bots are leveling the playing field. These bots, built by experts, follow proven strategies and make trades automatically. You get to leverage their expertise without spending years learning the ropes. It's like having a professional trader working for you around the clock for a fraction of the cost. The dream of easy profits is closer than ever, but only if you use the right tools. Let's see why most people still lose money trading on their own. Most beginners lose money because they lack experience and discipline. Trading isn't luck, it's about reading charts, understanding indicators, and managing risk. New traders often win by chance, then lose it all without a real strategy. Emotions like fear and greed lead to bad decisions, selling too soon, holding too long. Successful trading demands robot-like discipline, which most people can't maintain. Time is another barrier. Markets move fast and opportunities can vanish in minutes. Few can watch the markets all day or trade at odd hours. Most beginners also lack the right tools and a solid, tested plan. Without clear rules for entry, exit, and risk, you're just gambling. That's why over 90% of new traders fail, unless they find a smarter way. Enter BinBotPro, an automated trading robot designed to solve these problems. Built by experienced traders, it trades forex and binary options using proven strategies. BinBotPro removes emotion and guesswork, trading based on logic and data. You don't need trading experience or technical knowledge. The system is user-friendly for beginners. The robot scans markets 24/7, executing trades automatically when it finds high-probability setups. No emotions, no hesitation, just disciplined, consistent execution. BinBotPro gives you back your time, catching opportunities while you live your life. You're not chained to your screen, the robot does the heavy lifting. It opens trading to anyone, turning a stressful job into a potential source of passive income. With BinBotPro, you can finally trade like a pro without being one. Here's how easy it is to get started. Getting started with BinBotPro is simple and fast. Sign up for a free account on their website, no downloads, no hidden fees. Connect to a compatible broker and make a deposit, usually as little as $250. Your money stays in your brokerage account, under your control. Inside the dashboard, choose from different robots, each with its own strategy and track record. Pick the one that matches your risk and profit goals, then activate it with a click. The robot starts trading for you automatically. You can monitor results anytime, turn the robot off whenever you want, and see every trade. It's transparent, hands-free, and designed for anyone, no matter your schedule or experience. Now, imagine what your life could look like with automated trading. With BinBotPro, you can earn money passively. Your account grows while you work, relax, or spend time with family. Real users have seen impressive returns, with some robots achieving win rates up to 90%. People from all backgrounds, teachers, parents, total beginners, have shared success stories. The platform's live results and leaderboards offer transparent proof. But the biggest benefit is freedom. Freedom from financial stress, and freedom of your time. No more staring at charts or learning complex strategies, just let the robot work for you. Reclaim your time for what matters most while your money works in the background. Technology has made this possible. Now is your chance to take control of your financial future. Sign up for a free account, explore the platform, and start your journey toward financial freedom today. For more tips on automated trading and passive income, subscribe and follow along.